the Honda Super One EV. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The Honda Super One EV redefines the small electric hatchback with a bold blend of retro charm and futuristic tech. Built on Honda's new N-Series EV platform, it delivers an engaging driving experience through simulated 7-speed gear shifts, artificial engine sound, and a real boost mode for extra punch. Its boxy yet sporty design features wide fenders and compact proportions inspired by K cars, while the refreshed cabin sports minimalist controls and square vents. More than a commuter, the Super One aims to bring emotion back to electric mobility, appealing to enthusiasts who miss the feel of traditional engines. Set to debut in Japan in 2026 before expanding to the UK and Asia-Pacific markets, it will be sold as the Super One in Japan and Super N overseas. The Super One EV proves that small can still be thrilling, blending nostalgia, innovation, and performance in one electrified package. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you very much for your viewership.